VR just leveled up big time. Pimax dropped their Crystal Super headset and it's packing specs that make even the mighty big screen Beyond 2 sweat. But is it actually better? I've been testing both side by side and the results? Wild. Let's start with the headline, 3840 by 3840 per eye. That's 30 million pixels, double the Beyond 2, triple the Quest 3. Pimax calls it retina level, and for once, the marketing isn't lying. Textures? Razor sharp. Distant fences in racing sims? No more shimmering staircases. It's the closest thing to looking through real glass. But here's the kicker, the display pops out. No screws, no tools, just swap between QLED, this unit, and an upcoming OLED module. Want cinematic blacks today and eye-searing brightness tomorrow? Pimax lets you cheat the system. Finally, modular upgrades done right. Comfort? Surprisingly good for a tank. The rear headrest distributes weight perfectly. I clocked 4-hour sim sessions with zero face pain. And the tracking? Flawless inside-out tech. No base stations needed. Walk around your virtual garage, inspect your car mid-race, it just works. Now the lenses. Sigh. After the Beyond 2's buttery pancake optics, the Crystal Super's sweet spot feels fussy. Looked at ahead? Stunning. Glance at your dashboard? Blurry city. Chromatic aberration creeps in fast. For a $1,500 plus headset, I expected more. Performance is a roller coaster. That dynamic foveated rendering should save GPU power by only rendering your gaze point in full res. On paper? Genius. In practice? My RTX 4090 choked. Worse FPS, distracting peripheral shimmer, maybe future drivers will fix it. But right now? Leave it off. Night racing exposes the Achilles heel, mini LED versus OLED. The Beyond 2's infinite blacks make night tracks hauntingly real. The Crystal Super? Grayish blacks with glowy halos around dials. Mini LED's brightness can't compensate. Good news? That OLED module's coming, but will it fix the lenses? The verdict? Crystal Super nails resolution and modularity. Beyond 2 owns contrast and optics. If you're a daytime sim racer craving pixel-perfect clarity, Pimax wins. For night owls who want immersion, Beyond 2 still reigns. And hey, Quest 3 owners? This is another universe. The Crystal Super's detail makes Meta's headset look like a toy. But at 3x the price? It should. What's next? I'm dying to test that OLED module. Pimax, if you're listening, please fix those lenses. Until then, hit like if this helped, subscribe for the OLED showdown, and drop a comment. Resolution or contrast, what's your priority? Catch you in the next one.